What's the most expensive thing you can do for your house? Nothing. I'm TJ with Eco Elements, and today we need to talk about what it costs you to do nothing in terms of home maintenance. When we look at the cost of a new roof, when we look at the cost of a new furnace, air conditioner, water heater, those are all things that if we don't maintain over time are actually going to cost you more money in the long run. When it comes to a roof, you can lose up to 1/3 of the shingle life on that roof by not ventilating the attic space underneath it properly. In looking at your furnace, naturally there's some things that can affect the runtime. The temperature you set it at, the level of insulation in your attic, as well as how well you maintain that system. Changing your filter on a monthly basis is extremely important. If you don't, it'll cause excessive wear and tear on the blower, the heating and cooling units of that furnace. If you ask an HVAC technician or an HVAC company how long a furnace is supposed to last, typically they won't give you an answer in terms of years, because that all depends on how well you've maintained your system, as well as what temperature you set it at. Think of it like your car. If you drive your car more than your neighbor, chances are you're gonna have higher miles, and that's gonna cause more wear and tear on that system. Same thing happens with the furnace. So if you can help your home be more energy efficient, naturally that furnace and that air conditioner are going to last longer. So we've talked about the roof, we've talked about the furnace, also your water heater. Your water heater has a rod in it called an anode rod. If you don't maintain that rod or change it roughly every 3 to 4 years, the tank will eventually be eroded away to where you've got 40 to 50 gallons of water all over the floor. So there's things that you can do to make sure that you maintain those systems so that they last as long as they're supposed to, or even longer than they're designed to, and save you money that way. To learn more about energy saving tips and tricks, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.